Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Extensity Extension on your Google Chrome web browser. So what is Extensity Extension? So this is the extension that add or quickly enable or disable Google Chrome extension. So maybe you're tired of having too many extensions in your toolbar. You can try this Extensity. This is the tool for lightning fast enable and disable all of your extension. So you can keep your browser lean and fast, keep your toolbar clean, turn all extension off and back on with a single click. Let's try by add to Chrome. You can add the extension, wait the process, and here we go. You click this Extensity. Now the Extensity is enabled by you click this switch. So here all extension that I have. So here let's open it again, the Extensity. Now you can quickly turn off all your extension by turn this off and turn back on if you need it. Feel free to try it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.